Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you are fine, and today we are going to start the exercise 1.3, the second type of the quadratic equation which can be converted into, which is itself is not a quadratic but it can be converted in the form of a quadratic equation by some substitution. The second type we have is a multiplied by a stands for any coefficient. It may be there, it may not be there. The only identification for this type is that the value which is a reciprocal of one term, that would be they both are the reciprocal of each other. If the one value is in the numerator, then the other value is in the denominator. So this is what that we are going to substitute. Y is equal to P of X. Like if I talk about to the question, so coming up with the question number 6, we have 2x square plus 1 plus 3 over 2x square plus 1 is equal to 4, right? Now you can observe that this value is just a single term as a numerator, but this is in the denominator. So this is the second type like this. So I need to substitute, put y is equal to, it's 2x square plus 1. So simple, the question will be what? 2x square plus 1 will be replaced by y, then plus, then 3 divided by 2x square plus 1 is equal to y, that is equal to 4. Now this is the question which involves a variable in the denominator. So how we are going to solve when fractions are involved? We always multiply it by the LCM. So LCM we have only one denominator there, so we multiply the equation by the LCM y. Okay, y के साथ multiply करेंगे, so y into y it would be y square. Then we have plus y multiplied by 3 over y, that is equal to 4 multiplied by y. Okay, it would be 4y, y and y will be cancelled out. I am left as 3. Now if I arrange them, so y square minus 4y plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in terms of y. Fine. So what I need to do, how I can solve it. If you people find easy with the help of formula, you can solve it. If you want to factorize, you may factorize it, right? I always find the factorization easier one for you. So 3 के factors we have, 3 ones are 3. So y square minus 1y minus 3y plus 3, that is equal to 0. Take y common, that is left as y minus 1. Take 3 common, you are left as y plus minus 1, that is equal to 0. So the factors are y minus 1 and y minus 3, that is equal to 0. Fine. Now what is there? 1 by 1, either y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have y is equal to 1 or we have y is equal to 3. But I was not supposed to calculate the value for y. I need the question in terms of x. Now, as yesterday we were doing in the previous lesson 1, we observed that in the last we were replacing it. So we replace here y is equal to what? 2x square plus 1. Okay. Now what would be there? 1 time 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1. And second time you will have 2x square plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now simplify it. It's plus 1. When it will be shifted into the other side, it would be 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is left as 0. 2 multiply हो रहा है, दूसरी तरफ ले जाकर कितना हो जाएगा? Divide. Divide करने के बाद भी आंसर कितना रहेगा? 0. x का स्क्वायर रूट जब आप लेंगे तो उसका भी आंसर आपके पास कितना आ जाएगा? That is equal to 0. Fine. So we have the answer that is equal to 0. Fine. Coming up with the second we have is 2x square plus 1. Okay. So plus 1, when it will be shifted towards the other side, it would be 3 minus 1. The 3 minus 1 will be 2. x square के साथ 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, दूसरी साइड पर ले जाकर क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. 2 1s are 2. So x square is equal to 1. Square को कैंसिल करने के लिए we always have to take the square root. When we will take the square root of x, I am left as the answer x is equal to plus minus 1. Fine. So solution set has the values 0 and plus minus 1. Alright, I hope that the procedure is completely clear to you. Coming up with the question number 7 next. Moving towards the question number 8, we have x over x minus 3 plus 4 multiplied by x minus 3 over x, that is equal to 4. If we observe that, we can see the value in the numerator here is in the denominator in the second term, and the value in the denominator in first term is in the numerator of second term. So again the values are reciprocal of each other. So what I need to substitute? I need to substitute the value, up to you. आप ये वाली put करना चाह रहे हैं, आप ये वाली put करना चाह रहे हैं, the thing is same. Okay, so put y is equal to x over x minus 3. Alright, so what I would be there? It would be y plus, now this value is reciprocal, so उल्टा करके ये अगर y over 1 हो तो it would be 1 over y, यानी कि 4 ones are 4 over y, that is equal to 4. Okay, now again on the same step, what I need to calculate, I need to multiply the whole equation by y. So what it would be, y into y square plus y into 4 over y, that is equal to 4y. It would be cancelled. So I am left as y square minus 4y plus 4, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now this is the quadratic equation in term of y. Now I need to calculate the value for y. I can complete a formula there. I can use the quadratic formula there. I can use the first identity there, and I can factorize. In which method you follow, answer remain the same. So if I calculate the factors of plus 4, it's 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4. These two factors will be utilized. So y square minus 2y minus 2y plus 4, that is equal to 0. Take y common, we are left as y minus 2. Take 2 common, we are left as y minus 2, that is equal to 0. So it's y minus 2 and y minus 2, that is equal to 0. Or in other words, we have the two answers. Y is equal to 2. Okay, the one thing there, fine. Coming up with the second thing, if I calculate it the 2 times, that is a very stupid thing, just to calculate 2 times. So answer remains the same. Coming up there, now at the last, when I will replace it, so at the replacement we have y is equal to x over x minus 3. So x over x minus 3 is equal to 2. यहाँ पर सेकेंड 2 भी होगा तो सोल्यूशन यही रहेगा, राइट. सो जहाँ पर देखें इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है, आई विल यूज 1, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करें तो मेरे पास कितना आएगा, 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई एक्स माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वन ज़ा एक्स, 2x माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू x. सिंप्लीफाई करें, 2x माइनस x इज इक्वल टू 6 एंड x इज इक्वल टू 6. सो the solution set we have is, for the value of x, the solution set we have is 6.